Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World. In today's video, let's talk about Gemini AI Pro account from Google. So you can get a Gemini AI Pro account from Google for free if you fulfill this small condition of being a Jio mobile user in India. This offer has come into place a couple of days ago, and it was available for students between age group of 18 to 24, but it is now generally available to all Jio users provided you subscribe to a Jio unlimited 5G plan. Be it a postpaid plan or a prepaid plan, does not matter. If you have a Jio unlimited 5G plan, you can claim this offer. I already have a Jio unlimited 5G plan, so to claim this offer, you can find various banners inside the My Jio app. Log into your My Jio app and you will see different banners where you can tap on the banner, go to the browser window, you'll log into your Google account and you're done. Your Gemini Pro account will be active and it will be valid for 18 months. If you somehow already subscribe to AI plan from Google, AI Pro or any other plan from Google, that plan will be overridden by this new plan. So you will get this offer in any case whether you are already subscribed to Google AI Pro plan or not. So if you have not already subscribed to Google AI Pro plan, this is the best time to get it for free for at least 18 months. And by chance, if you see that this offer is not yet available in your account in My Jio, you will have the option to register your interest. You will get a banner where you can register your interest for the Google AI Pro plan. So you can, in any way, you will get access to it after 21st of November. So I already have got this access, so I have shown it to how I claimed it. And if it is not yet available to you, wait for some hours. On 21st November, it will be available generally to all Jio users who have this 5G unlimited plan. Google Gemini is a very powerful AI application which is now even more capable after the launch of the Gemini 3 model a couple of days back. Maybe day before yesterday it was launched generally. It was available for a quite long time in the Google AI Studio system, but for the Gemini app it is available only 2 or 3 days back. It was launched day before yesterday, and it is quite powerful. It can do a lot of things, a lot of tasks it can help you do it. And if you use AI sensibly, it can help you a lot. And if you are a Jio user, just leverage your Jio subscription to get this AI Pro plan free. And along with Gemini AI Pro, you also get access to 2 TB of Google's cloud storage. So thank you very much and see you soon in my next video.